Join me as I hit the road to discover Iran's hidden gems by car, and see if I can find the most breathtaking spots off the beaten path. In this video, you'll embark on a captivating journey exploring Iran's hidden gems by car, revealing the beauty and culture that lies off the beaten path. Many travelers miss out on Iran's lesser-known destinations due to a lack of awareness and information about these hidden treasures. Iran is often associated with crowded cities and popular tourist attractions, but there's so much more to this country than meets the eye. Beyond the bustling streets of Tehran and the ancient ruins of Persepolis, lies a world of hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. These off-the-beaten-path destinations are not only breathtakingly beautiful but also steeped in history and culture. From majestic mountain ranges to serene desert landscapes, each hidden gem has a unique story to tell. By exploring these hidden gems, you'll get to experience the authentic Iran, untouched by mass tourism. I've often found that the most memorable travel experiences come from venturing off the beaten path. It's in these lesser-known destinations that you'll encounter the warmest hospitality, the most delicious local cuisine, and the richest cultural heritage. By choosing to explore Iran's hidden gems, you'll not only be supporting local communities but also preserving the country's cultural identity. So, if you're ready to venture off the beaten path and discover the real Iran, then join me on this captivating journey. You'll take viewers on a scenic drive through stunning landscapes, showcasing unique towns, historical sites, and local traditions that make each hidden gem special. We'll start our journey in the scenic town of Kashan, where ancient architecture meets vibrant cultural heritage. We'll wind our way through the rolling hills of Kerman province, where majestic mountains meet serene desert landscapes. Along the way, we'll stop at quaint villages, where traditional artisans still practice their ancient crafts and locals welcome visitors with open arms. As we explore these hidden gems, we'll delve into the rich history and culture that makes each destination unique. We'll visit ancient citadels, where centuries-old fortifications still stand proud. We'll stroll through bustling bazaars, where vibrant colors and enticing aromas will tantalize your senses. We'll sample local delicacies, which blend Persian flavors with Mediterranean flair. And we'll meet the people, who are the true custodians of Iran's cultural heritage. In each of these hidden gems, we'll uncover a world of surprises, from majestic mountains to serene desert landscapes. We'll marvel at the colorful architecture of Yazd, where ancient Zoroastrian traditions still thrive. We'll relax in the tranquil atmosphere of Tabriz, where majestic mosques meet majestic mountains. And we'll experience the warm hospitality of Esfahan, where ancient bridges meet vibrant cultural festivals. Highlight a particularly breathtaking location or an unforgettable experience that encapsulates the essence of exploring Iran's hidden gems. One of the most breathtaking experiences of my journey was watching the sunrise over the majestic Mount Damavand, the highest peak in the Middle East. As the sun slowly rose above the horizon, the snow-capped peak glowed with an ethereal light, casting a golden glow over the surrounding landscape. It was a truly magical moment, one that encapsulates the essence of exploring Iran's hidden gems. Another unforgettable experience was visiting the ancient village of Masuma, where traditional artisans still practice their ancient crafts. Walking through the narrow alleys, I was struck by the vibrant colors and enticing aromas of the local bazaar. I watched in awe as local craftsmen skillfully wove intricate carpets, their fingers moving deftly as they brought ancient designs to life. It was a truly immersive experience, one that allowed me to connect with the local culture in a way that I never thought possible. As I reflect on my journey, I'm reminded of the power of travel to break down barriers and challenge our perceptions. By venturing off the beaten path, I gained a deeper understanding of Iran's rich cultural heritage and its warm, welcoming people. And I'm convinced that these hidden gems have the power to change the way we think about travel, encouraging us to venture further, to explore more, and to discover the beauty that lies just beyond the horizon. As I wrap up this journey, I'm left with a sense of awe and wonder at the incredible places we've visited and the cultural insights we've gained along the way. From the majestic mountains to the serene desert landscapes, each hidden gem has left an indelible mark on my heart. And I hope that this journey has inspired you to venture off the beaten path, to explore Iran's hidden gems, and to discover the beauty that lies just beyond the horizon. Thanks for joining me on this captivating journey. If you've got a favorite hidden gem in Iran or a travel experience you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to check out my other travel vlogs for more adventures from around the world.